Hello there, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how to do this look, just keep watching. Okay y'all, it's been a long week. I don't have time to do any more introing. I'm just gonna do this, try to do it on one take. Oh god, I'm already starting. Okay, I got my nails done. Look at them, they're so pretty. I'm just using some gel that's by e.l.f. and it actually works really well to stick your brows down. The glue trick never really worked for me. Anyways, as I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm mixing some white face paint and some foundation to try to make my face just like whiter. I'm gonna put some powder and concealer over top of the brows, even though that still doesn't really work. I suck at covering my brows. I don't know, follow a different tutorial for that. I'm not here to show you how to cover your brows. Anyways, put it on your face. It's gonna look probably pretty messy, even after it dries. Still gonna look gross and disgusting, so we're putting some powder over top, except I don't have translucent, so I kind of just made my face like paley tan color. Looks disgusting. Anyways, here's my James Charles palette. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and we're just gonna put random colors everywhere, okay? I went with kind of yellows and greens on the cheeks, and then my light switched. That's nice. This is better lighting, actually. I like this better. Yeah, okay, yellow on the nose too. Now we're going in with the pinks and like reds and stuff, and I'm adding that towards like my eye, taking a different brush, blending that. Also gonna do it by my mouth, I think, and then yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. Oh no, I'm adding more yellow. I don't know, I'm trying to blend the colors together. It looks kind of messy right now and gross, but we're taking these smaller eyeshadow brushes just to go over top, so then the colors are more like there and vibrant and stuff. Honestly, it does kind of look disgusting as a base, like looks gross, so it only looks good when we add the stuff on top. It's like a trust the process type of deal here. Yeah, so we're adding some like pink below and above the mouth, more green and yellow, and then yeah, you look absolutely gross. Okay, next we're going in with this blue and an eyeshadow brush, so we're going over our mouth, and then we're gonna create like a little smile line. Oh my god, looking great, so good. So here's a smile line. I'm making it like curvy, so it's like more spooky. I don't know. Anyways, now I'm going under and doing a frown line on the other side. See, it's like one of those clown things where like you're a happy and a sad clown. Also, I accidentally dipped my finger into this and it was like really vibrant and I was very impressed. That's what that was. Anyways, now we're adding purples and darker blues. I don't know, we're just trying to like make it darker and more like prevalent. And here's me singing. Lovely, awesome, so glad I kept that in. Anyways, now we're doing our brows. So because we didn't completely cover our brows, this took me like a little while to get it to show. Basically, you're just making like thin blue brows that match the mouth. Yeah, really not cute, sexy brows, but like they're more clown-like, so it matches the vibes, okay? I am so tired right now, dear Lord. Okay, if you made it this far in the tutorial, I'm so sorry you're listening to this. Anyways, more pink on the nose, because, you know, clowns always have that red pink nose. I don't know why I went with green for my nose, but anyways, I fixed it. Now I blended it more now we look good, okay? It's looking pretty decent, you have to admit. Now I'm taking this water liner, and it's in white, and we're adding, like, highlights. This is what brings the whole look together, okay? That was me banging on the table. Sorry if that was scary. Anyways, we're adding the highlights here, and in, like, kind of like a circular-ish way on the nose. These can be messy, okay? Make it as messy as you like. Add as many lines as you want. I don't even know how to make this as a tutorial. This is basically just you watching me do makeup, and whatever, you're watching it. It's your fault for clicking on this. So we're making little eye bags because we're a tired clown, which is true, vibes, word. Circular around the eyes again, and then above the eyebrows, some more lines. Then, that's what that looks like. Now I'm adding some dots because I just thought that would look good. I add more dots later, but first I begin to kind of do my eyelashes, and then I realize I'm just gonna cry all of this off because I have to put in my contacts. So like give me a second. Give me a second. Hold on. Yeah, okay, there. See, now we have the black contacts in. If you can't tell the difference, it's because I already have black demon-like eyes anyways, but I swear I put in the contacts. Anyways, now we're just thickening up some of the lines and adding the freckles. So these dots are just gonna go like everywhere, just like covering up that base because it looks so freaking ugly. And now this looks better. Look at that. I think we look good. Anyways, finishing up the lashes, adding a little bit of pink to the center of the lips, and then that's literally the look. Alrighty folks, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Really would appreciate that. If you want to see more tutorials, I'll link them down below. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Literally go away. I don't know.